To help you get the most from your equipment, it's important to use the right fluids. Using CAT oils and greases does that like nothing else. Designed to our machine specs, approved by our experts, and put through extensive endurance testing, CAT oils and greases are proven to reduce component wear, improve performance, and increase equipment uptime. CAT oils and greases are the only lubricants recommended by Caterpillar for CAT machines. Backed by years of operating knowledge, CAT oils and greases are part of the full design of CAT machines and engines. As genuine CAT parts, CAT oils and greases feature exclusive formulations with base oils and additives specifically selected by Caterpillar and passed through rigorous proprietary testing for lasting protection and performance. Caterpillar offers a family of genuine CAT oil and grease products for every application. Some extend change intervals, others are designed for specific work environments, and all are proven to protect your equipment, improve performance, and increase equipment uptime. The real point is this: not all fluids are the same. Different applications call for specific fluids. CAT equipment is designed to deliver peak performance when using CAT oils and greases. Enhance your machine's performance, protection, and uptime with the right fluids. CAT oils and greases.